I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing a clean state. Enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to reset the radio. Next, power down the router and your Oppo, wait 30 seconds, then start the router first so DHCP settles. Once done, boot your phone and confirm you're selecting the correct SSID and entering the precise password. Make sure you know whether the network is 4 GHz or 5 GHz, since Oppo devices sometimes prefer one band over the other. You should forget the problematic network first. Open Settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap the network and choose Forget, then reconnect with credentials to clear corrupted entries. If issues persist, perform a network reset under System Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile configurations and often resolves stack-level errors. While you're at it, make sure your Oppo runs the latest OS patch and the router firmware is up to date. An outdated driver or incompatible channel can block association or slow discovery. If you still can't connect, try assigning a static IP or manual DNS like 8 to bypass DHCP issues. This often exposes whether the router is the problem. Next, inspect router settings for MAC filtering, parental controls, or CoS limits that might be blocking the Oppo. If none of these work, consider a factory reset on the phone as a last resort. Back up your data first. Troubleshooting tip: if problems return, test with another Wi-Fi network to isolate phone versus router failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.